Hey everybody, my name is John Stovall with MarineMax Lake Lanier here in beautiful Cumming, Georgia. I am just blown away by this boat and I'm ecstatic to show you. This is a 2025 Saxdor 400 GTC. Join me as I walk you through all the features of the boat and a couple things that I really love. Now, on the aft cockpit of the boat, get a beautiful walk around swim step with faux teak, glass doors to keep all your furry friends and little ones in. Sun pad that expands, folds down, easy as that. Got grill and sink on this side, storage on the other side, storage boxes on your feet, and of course you can't miss the gunnels on both sides of the boat fold down and make a massive area to hang out on the back of the boat. Now join me as we walk through. Notice this glass is locked in place right now with the accordion door and the bottom door open too, so you can really open up and make one seamless space. But we can close those and we'll show you those in further pictures. As you walk into the boat, you've got a beautiful teak table that folds. It folds a couple different directions for a couple different things. We'll fold it this way to show you the party piece on the boat. This is a 2-cabin boat. So you got a beautiful cabin in here, nice, comfortable, easy place to sleep. And when you don't want it to be seen, lock it up, take it out of the way. Fold the table back the other way. Something that center consoles, which this has got center console DNA with a cabin cruiser personality, you can turn this into a 2-row center console seat. So flip this way, table goes down, and just like that, you've got a dual row center console seat. Walking through the boat, again, this is a cabin cruiser personality. So you got induction stove and sink, fridge, storage, and trash can all inside the protected area of the boat. Gigantic hardtop, sliding doors, these completely enclosed as well. Triple row helm seats with fold down bolsters, Mercury controls, joystick, side power thruster, vessel view, and 3 sim rads all the way across with your switches. Follow me in the cabin. So down here in the cabin, you've got a huge storage space underneath these steps. Steps fold up out of the way nice and easy. You got your switch panels, and then the head right behind Jennifer that really gives you a nice enclosed space that's private for the VIP of the boat. Again, you've got a nice wraparound windshield that's protected from the sun with a beautiful sun brow and all your AC vents so you can heat and cool the cockpit area. But open this guy up, walk through. Got a huge bow with fold-out teak table and option for the make fast shade, and of course your windlass. So that was a really quick walkthrough of this 400 GTC. It needs, honestly, a 20-minute video, but we want to show you some of the cool features of the boat. Come find us at www.marinemax.com.